Welcome to Jesus Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. As you very well know on this channel, I have a wide range of cameras, everything from Hasselblads to digital Nikons to analog Nikons. The list goes on and on and on. I'm shooting this video with a 8-bit 4K Lumix G85 with a kit lens. So I'm in the market eventually to buy something substantial. I'm thinking about something similar to a Nikon Z8 or Lumix S1R2 in about maybe the 3 when that comes out. But I'm not going to buy anything super expensive or until probably 2027, 2028. That's the plan. That is the plan. When I move back to the West Coast, when I'm doing some camping, when I'm doing some trips to the beach, trips to the redwoods, doing portraits, doing bar mitzvahs, weddings, and quinceañeras. The list goes on and on and on. That'll be the camera. I'm going to buy a nice zoom for it, like the 24-60, maybe a 35-1.8, etc., etc. Buy a bunch of lenses. You know, splurge. My wife already gave me the permission. I can splurge once we move back to the West Coast. But in the meantime, I've been wanting to buy a little cheap camera just to toss around when I'm traveling. So I've been looking at some of the $1,000 cameras, $800 cameras, $1,500 cameras, $2,000 cameras. And of course, I'm not looking at any Leicas because, those are expensive. Some of the Leicas out there. So I was just down the road here at the pawn shop, and I saw, hey, that's a Sony, nice little Sony, little tiny A-series Sony 6000 series Sony. And I said, hey, let me see what price they have it. Oh, it's at that price. It's not where everybody else is selling them for twice as much. It was at a lower price. So I said, oh, consider it. The battery was dead. So I charged up the battery for about, at the store, for like about an hour. And it still was, it said low battery, and it didn't allow me to format the card and get everything set up. So I said, I'll just leave it plugged in. Is it okay I leave the camera plugged in? Because I had to plug in the camera to charge the battery. So I left it there, went shopping, bought some groceries, went to another store, bought some stuff, like air filters for my air conditioner and stuff there. And then I also had a couple tacos, 2 tacos. And then I came back and it was charged. And it allowed me to put my SD card in there, format it, shoot some pictures, shoot some video, see if it looks bad. The lens looks good. Everything looks good on the camera. It looks in relatively good shape. So I said, yeah, I'll buy it. So I offered them a price. They said, okay, we'll take that price. So I bought a camera for $230, and it's a little camera, a little toy camera. And back in the day, I was watching videos on the A6000 with kit lenses. They say, wow, they were putting like all these fantastic Sony lenses on there. Very nice lenses. But I don't plan to do that. This is just going to be, use the kit zoom on there and call it good. This will be a nice, that's this little device right here. Travel camera. Take some snapshots. This is my snapshot camera. And it shoots RAW, it shoots JPEGs. It's perfectly fine for a travel camera. Look at how tiny that thing is. That thing is microscopic. Look at that. That is microscopic. Look at how tiny that thing is. So it'll be a great travel camera. My wife is planning to go back to Germany this summer to teach more students, about the art and art history of Germany and Austria and France and the Netherlands, etc., etc. So she's going to go down there. I'll just say, hey, take this camera and you can take some snapshots with it, and it should be perfectly fine. It's a lightweight little thing, isn't it? Even has a little zoom. Wow, it's a nice little lightweight camera. So I'll be taking this this weekend to Riverside, California, to the Cheech, where I'll be at the reception for the exhibition on photographers, and I'll be one of the photographers included in that. I'm not bringing the Hasselblad. I'm not bringing the 4x5. I'm not bringing the 5x7. I'm not bringing my old Nikons. I'm not bringing anything. I'm just going to bring this and take some snapshots and maybe a little bit of video. This shoots, I think, only HD video and barely shoots HD video, but what the hell? I'll shoot a little HD video, see how it comes out, and share it with you on the old YouTube in a couple weeks. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is Jesus Manuel Mena with his new little camera. I did buy some accessories. I bought a lens cap, and I bought a little hand strap, and let me see what else. I bought some extra batteries because this only came with one battery, and it charges only via USB, mini USB on the side. So there's a camera. Let me give you a little close-up shot. There it is. It's in good shape. It has even a viewfinder. Even the Lumix S9 doesn't have a viewfinder. This one has a viewfinder. And only cost me, again, $30 plus tax, and that was it. $230 plus tax. I think that's a good price for a, bounce around travel camera. I think so. And if some folk snip off the camera strap and run down the street with it, I say, hey, bring it back to me. So, hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And leave your kind and friendly comments. Again, leave your kind and super friendly comments. And maybe comments about this Sony A6000. It's not the, higher end 67, series or 64 series. Any of those. This is the 6000. This is the 6-aught. It has a little hot shoe. Wow. It has a hot shoe, viewfinder, zoom lens. And the funniest thing I found, trying to figure this thing out, is that the video button's right there on the corner in the back. Way in the corner in the back is the video button. Had to figure that out. I have a lot of things to figure out. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Check links in the description for stuff that I'm promoting and some of my videos. Hope you enjoy this channel. I'll be again at the Cheech Museum this I think Saturday and Sunday. Saturday I'm going to be at the reception. Sunday I'll be giving a lecture and talk at a panel discussion. Again at the Cheech in Riverside, California. Hope you're doing fantastic. Gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. Bye-bye.